Hello guys, today we're making another video. It's 2026 in February. Yes, I know. I'm gonna try to make a video each month, or at least more. But, well, I'm already doing that right now, so.
Let's get started.
Now, before I take all this stuff out, I want you guys to look at this. So we got Baby Pig, we got Piggy Pig, we got Piggy Picture, we got Wolf Person, Pigling Zombie, and Bee. And they're also all on this side too. It's called Wolf Skin. Wolf Skin. Don't know why this needs to happen. Little. Ah! I haven't opened the Lego box in January. There we go. Now, this is new. This was just created. Actually, I don't think this is new. This might be old. I don't know when this was. When was this box created? Well, this was created in 2025. This is new. I guess they ran out of the clear paper, so got this, got that. So we opened. We got 4 boxes in total. Box for bags, not boxes. 4 bags.
Box 1.
Oh, and if you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. Oh God, I don't think that was supposed to happen. Don't worry, guys. I'm not gonna yap this entire video. Not that you know of. So now we build the first. You're the first pig. Oh, great. Oh, never mind. I guess it was that hard. Somebody tell me what these things are. Silver bells. Batman smells. It will not be pretty when he sings. Sleigh bells ring. And that means zombies are invading the city. What if I turned on some music and you didn't want the music to be playing? So you tried turning off the muting this, but then you realize the music doesn't come from the editing. It comes from my Alexa. I will be making another video very shortly. I have another Lego set right behind me, and I can make another video if I want to, or if you guys want me to. I can see my veins. Pig, because pigs play with mud. Mud comes when it rains, and when does it rain? Spring. See, I lined all of this up. I knew what I was doing. I waited till the right moment. Please subscribe. I need to feed my family, guys. Pretty sure this isn't a pig house anymore. It's just a pink house. Pink house. From the Armcraft movie. Pink house from the Armcraft movie. We're calling it Armcraft now, guys. It's not Minecraft. It's Armcraft. Because apparently we don't have any. So if you guys don't know how these Lego sets work, there's gonna be probably the head goes here. I'm just gonna take a look back at the box. So this is probably, the head's probably gonna go in this area. And yeah, you can see the little knobby thingies that I put on the back. Oh, its butt too. And now, oh, pig painting. Mojang, add this in Minecraft. Mojang, you need to add this in Minecraft. Get Mojang.
Bag 1 complete. Bag 2.
Welcome to my house. I'm about to be broke now. If you guys don't subscribe, I won't have a home. Yes, this is my house, but I'm about to be broke now. Cause if you guys don't sub, I'm going to be broke. This is not my house. I rented it out. Well, this is not my house. I rented it out. Not my house. This is not my house. This is not my house. This is not my house. I'm going to be broke in 5 days. Cause when I make these videos, you guys don't pay me anything. Cause I don't have enough subs. So I need you two guys to like and subscribe. Because in a few days, this won't be my house. Well, I mean, it isn't already because, I rented it out. But anyway, guys, this is not my house. About to be broke now. I need you guys to subscribe. Cause if you don't, surely I might die. So you guys, like, subscribe. If you don't, in my bedroom I'll cry. Damn, this is not my house. 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 Not my house. Not my house. This is 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 my Lego house that I just built. Doesn't this look like a pig? Fresh meat, don't you say? Sorry. Sorry to all the vegetarians watching this video. But seriously, you're vegetarian now, who cares?
Bag 2 complete. Bag 3 initiate.
What does your guys' houses look like? Are your guys' houses messy, covered with lots of slop? Or are they clean? Cause you guys are just neat freaks. My house is very, very messy. So don't come in. Time to do some work off camera for a sec. I'm back, guys. Guess who's back? Back again. Yes, I'm back. Watch till the end. I'm probably very annoying to you guys, so I'm gonna be quiet and let you enjoy the peace you have while I do this real quick. Hi guys, I'm back. And I did a little mining off camera. Ooh. Building off camera. So right now, oh god, we have a pig in that pig house, because a pig is a house for this. And also we have a pig living outside of a pig house. Well, a human lives inside of a pig. That's cursed, no? Agree with me, please. If you guys like this video so far, you probably know what I'm gonna say. But I am gonna say it anyway. Like and stinking subscribe. And I already said like. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Liking and subscribing is the best thing you can do on this channel. You know why? Those people who like and subscribe won't be thrown in the pit of fire. That does not rhyme, but I don't care.
Bag 4. Bag 3 completed.
Music, appreciate. Will you guys enjoy this comforting movie? I'm building this, painting my arm, and I just dropped something. So this is so wonderful for those who don't have to build and just watch me build. Building Legos is difficult. but you don't have to do it alone. With today's sponsor, I'm not good enough to get a sponsor. Hey, but at least you won't have any interrupting things and anything interrupting you except the ads. Want to break from the ads? Want to break from the ads? Spotify type stuff. Sunflower. If you guys play Minecraft, like, and I'm gonna say it. Subscribe. And yes, I did do a little
Building off camera.
maybe if you guys like and subscribe enough, and I keep on saying it, I'll finally get enough to have a sponsor, start getting money, because money is more special than you guys, because you guys don't matter to me. I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. But I'm broke and kind of need the money. Also, the main reason I did this was because I like Legos. And if you like Legos like me, go to your local Lego store to buy some Legos. If you can't, it's probably clear that either you're also broke like me, so you should probably start a Lego YouTube channel, or you just don't listen to any single YouTuber's advice, because you're one of those people who just only watch the videos just to watch the videos, and you don't actually build along with me, which is gonna be the title of this video. Pig Minecraft something, build along with me. But you're not gonna do that, because you guys. Anyway, I can finally start putting this stuff in. I have no idea how any of these Lego figures are supposed to live here. This is so cramped. This guy's probably a vegan. Sorry if it's offense to vegan people. I'm not trying to be offensive. I'm just saying that he probably is like vegan, because the person living here is probably not vegan, actually, because he's got pigs in the farm, and the farm with the pigs, and the pigs in the farm, and the farm with the pigs, and the pigs in the farm with the farm, and the pigs, and pigs in the farm with the farm, and the pigs, and the pigs in the farm with the farm, and the pigs, and the pigs in the farm, and the farm, and the pigs. I forgot to build a torch, guys, and that is done. This has been a wonderful time. I love building Legos. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe, like I've said like multiple times, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a new video, probably at least 2 to 3 months. See you guys next time. Peace.